The race is on. Consolidator fast to begin. Immaculate. Big Bang running by the Shadow Straps, and alongside is Apu Bell. Consolidator by a length and a half, followed by Immaculate. Apu Bell is racing third by another length, running in fourth. Big Bang, Shadow Straps. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Consolidator followed now by Apu Bell. Immaculate down on the inside third, 3 lengths. Corner back in fourth is Big Bang and Shadow Straps. Passing the last 900, Consolidator, Apu Bell pressing up on the outside, and Immaculate running in third by about 2 lengths, rushing up Shadow Straps. And inside the last 600, Consolidator, Apu Bell is racing on the outside, Immaculate running in third. As they race the last 600, Consolidator, Apu Bell is on the outside, and Immaculate on the farther outside. As they race the last 500, Consolidator, Apu Bell in between runners, and Immaculate as they race the final corner. Apu Bell in between runners, and Immaculate on the outside. Consolidator down on the inside. Apu Bell, Immaculate on the outside, but still Apu Bell, Immaculate on the outside. Apu Bell is running by Darrell, and nearing the finish line. It's an upset coming from Immaculate. Apu Bell, Shadow Straps, Consolidator, Big Bang.
Oh, nakuha mo yan, Ninong. Si Immaculate.